What is going on, everyone? Bulldog Brand here, bringing you part 2 of Batman and Robin Saints Row 3. Me being Batman, Fried Chicken being Robin. So, let's get started. We already had to cut out the plane part because we kind of screwed up and nothing was really doing, so we kind of just skipped to the part where now we are attacking the armory. Okay.
I'm Robin.
He's Robin. I'm Batman. Okay. What are you doing? You just hit an innocent civilian. This is why.
Oh God.
This is why Robin. Whoa! You just hit an innocent civilian again. What are you doing?
He clearly jumped in front of the car. Not my fault.
Okay, let's do this. Ouch. Oh, I don't use guns. Oh, what happened to my taser? Awkward. Gotta use my Fusrudal gun. Sorry.
Whoa!
Don't forget.
Robin went blind.
Don't worry. Everybody knows Robin can't fly. Why is this not working?
Robin can't fly.
Don't worry, everyone. They're only teleporting away. They're not exploding. Because that would break the moral code. As you may know, I've beaten this game already, so that's why I've got the advanced guns, unlike Fried Chicken.
Nah, he put in cheat codes.
No, I don't use cheats. I'm not about that life.
Yeah, you're Batman. You cheated.
I cheated. Secretly, I cheated.
You cheated.
Secretly.
I mean, you cheated.
I'm sorry. I've broken the code. Let's do this, Robin.
Oh. Ooh. No. What does Robin use as projectiles? What does he
He's got like his own like little batarang. I think it's called a batarang, but it might be like a Robin rang or something like that.
I don't want to start like throwing batarangs and be wrong.
No, he throws batarangs. Don't worry about it.
Alright, well that's an exploding batarang. That is also exploding batarang.
Awkward. I don't know why I switched to a gun. I didn't ask for it.
You're using guns, Batman?
No,
That's the rules.
it was.
Why are you breaking the rules?
Yeah, why is my guy keep switching to a gun?
You're serious, aren't you?
Guess they're not letting us
Dude,
in.
I don't like how you do business.
Here's the weapons cache, and these look like UAV drone controls over here.
It's like UAV drone controls. Who the fuck says that?
Okay, is this really the time?
I'm just saying. It really seemed like a better idea earlier on.
You think? Pierce, where are you?
Oh my god, stop switching to my fucking guns.
Don't worry, Batman.
No way.
Help's on the way. Those are batarangs. No worries.
That's our army of Bat Knights. Yeah, that's like the League of Shadows. There we go. It's okay if they use
The
guns.
shadow, that's our enemy.
Shh. Don't worry about it.
Uh-oh.
These are... I don't really know what these are. These are just like EMP missiles. That's what we're looking for.
Yes.
Yeah, because we
No
don't...
one is dying. Please all these.
Bang. Although it may look like they're exploding. Don't worry, people.
These
They're...
are all professionally trained stuntmen.
Yes, exactly.
Don't worry, I got a plan.
Oh god, this
We're the man with the plan, that's why.
is the Gotham City taxpayers now.
This isn't Gotham, this is Steelport, aka Gotham.
You know what? I like to think of it as, you know. greatest game of Call of Duty ever.
No. Oh, wait, I hit them. Okay, good enough.
Just killing anything.
Run, Robin, run. We must get to the Batcopter.
Dun, dun,
Bum, 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 bum. Oh, we both flipped at the same time.
oh god. Grappling hook. You
Uh,
said grappling hook.
I use batarangs, he used grappling hooks. Let's do this.
Very dangerous grappling hook.
Right now we're fighting enemy helicopters that wish to steal stuff, and we're not about that.
Wait, aren't we stealing from them?
We're taking the bad stuff. Yep, there we go. We're taking bad things. So it's okay.
And this is in,
We're
this is in
stopping.
National
I
Guard.
don't know who the villain would be. Who's like a French bad guy. I don't think Batman has any French foes. Huh.
Oh, I know, Doc Ock.
Doc, are you stupid? That's Spider-Man.
No, I think that's Ethan.
Screw up.
Oh god. Oh dear. Oh dear.
Man, these batarangs are highly effective.
Oh. Yeah, that thank you, Lucius Fox for you.
Yeah, I know, Lucius. Welcome, Batman. Thanks, Morgan Freeman.
Yeah, it's raining pretty hard.
So what's next?
What's next is you go back to
Whoa. Batman, what are you doing with all these guns?
Girl, you don't get messy.
Ooh, Batman doesn't roll like that.
Fuck
Who's
you.
the black
I'm
guy?
doing this for Johnny.
All right. What if we're gonna bring in the boys? We're gonna need a new place.
You're worried about real estate? We have guns. Let's use them.
Relax, Shondy. We got it all covered.
Cause we are so super cool.
I'm sexually attracted to Sean.
Robin, cool it.
I'm telling you how to live my life. Alright.
Oh my god, what are we waiting for? Robin,
I'm hitting X, so right, I unlocked everything in the game
Cool.
just now.
cool it.
I'm unlocking, oh, new downloadable content, GPD. Oh, I get to upgrade too. Ooh.
Did I never unlock the sniper rifle?
Good night.
Good night, Robin's
Yeah, well,
father.
The myth is Robin. Don't worry about that.
Exit the crib.
What do I want to upgrade?
I've got to investigate. Computer.
Robin now takes 5% less damage from bullets. Let's do this.
What?
Alright, ready? Ready, Batman? Go fuck shit up.
Oh my god. Hey, dude, come here.
What?
Look at this.
What?
Look at the magazine on the ground.
What is it?
That's Shondy. Huh. Naked.
Whoa!
Yeah, that's explicit.
Whoa! Do you have a sniper rifle I can borrow?
No, I don't. Okay, let's get out of here.
Alright. Well, I'll save that for when you're gone. Alright.
Whoa, Robin, cool it. Put on the mission.
Alright, yeah, I get to do stuff. Okay.
Oops.
What the?
Yeah, accidentally done goofed. Yes. Well, fried chicken, you don't need to. You don't need to steal anybody's car. Oh, this is awkward. Can't even get a car out of here. Looks like we're gonna have to steal one. Don't worry, I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Don't worry.
Oh!
Oh,
Cop car.
You've convinced me. Meet me at the park. I'll pick you up.
We're gonna roll.
you stole a cop car? Are you serious? I have no.
Dude, we need
I have no problem with that. Let's go.
a cop car. Okay.
Let's roll.
Autobots. Whoa,
These are batarangs, everyone. Don't worry about it.
Whoa! What are you shooting at, Batman?
That worked out well.
I'm not shooting at a single person. I didn't kill anybody, okay? I only shot
I
him.
think you did.
He flew off the bridge on his own, okay?
Batman. Starting to scare me now.
Cool it, Robin. You're next.
Whoa! I don't like how you operate. I'm not gonna lie.
What'd you say, I'm Batman?
That's not your voice, Batman. Who was that?
What did you say? I said I'm Batman. What do you say to me?
I can never love again.
Yay.
Cutscene.
Cutscene, yeah, cutscene.
Now, do I show up in your cutscene, or is it
No,
your character?
it's me who shows up in my cut screen and then you who shows up in yours.
Let's find the rims out and get it
Oh, I thought I was taking the show here. Let Pierce in the car, you dick.
He can get it on his own time.
Charlie's taking this thing.
What, because he's black? That's racist.
Oh,
That
wow.
name's racist.
Way to play the race card all of a sudden.
Keep an eye out.
Oh, that car ran a red light.
You know what we do to bad guys.
How long were you rolling with that anyway?
Why are you What are you doing, Batman?
Little sense.
Why are you shooting batarangs at people?
You mellowed with age. Until Aisha died. He was fucking
Who is Aisha? Like, I never played Saints Row 2 or 1.
Ooh, man, you should be playing this game. No, it was Johnny Depp's girlfriend who faked her death and then actually died in the second one.
So she faked her death in the first game and then came back in the second one to
And
actually
the
die.
Japanese killed her in the second one.
Huh. That is interesting.
Yeah, it was very sad.
Robin. No witnesses.
That car ran a red light.
No witnesses. You.
Are you... No, what? This isn't Hitman.
Whoa, this guy's running slow motion through the door.
I upgraded our Batmobile. Look at it now.
You may flee if you would like, young man. Goodbye.
I have to use the mechanic.
What? Wait for me. Whoa.
Oh dear, they ran red lights.
Oh my goodness, what red lights? I can't hop in the car, damn it. Now it's just an invisible
Yeah,
car.
because I'm visiting the mechanic. I'm upgraded the toy. What are you doing? Why are you trying to mug people?
No.
Oh god. Oh, she ran the red light.
See if you can find something good.
Oh, this is that part in that song.
Oh. What's wrong? Oh, copyright.
We gotta do this. Come on.
I don't know the words. Batman.
In the morning, rising to the streets. Light me up
Light
my
me up,
cigarette,
cigarette.
and I'll strap shoes on my feet. Got to find a reason things went wrong. Something.
A reason.
Why my money's always gone. Yep. Love is. Nope, that's not. Oh,
Hi. Cop.
done goofed.
Motherfucking right.
Do. I know in my campaign, like my guy just starts randomly beatboxing. I was like, whoa. You might you might get shot off my
Oh,
chest. A bulletproof vest. For charity, life is what I got. Don't start a riot.
Do you want to listen to the song, Bo, or do you want to do it?
Let's do it. Because I am now no longer able to sing.
Oh shit, Robin about to get pimped out.
I already have what I need. Actually, does it come with belts?
Oh, there's a fun time outfit.
Oh, this does not have what I needed to
In
have.
fact, I might do that.
Dude,
What?
right under hip hop jeans. Perfect for you. Perfect. Right under it.
Yeah.
I had no idea how to say it, and I didn't want to make me look like a ding dong, so.
It's okay.
If I just start beating up Pierce, will he start like fighting back?
Possibly.
He's
Possibly. What's it under?
hip hop jeans.
Oh, okay, let me find that. You can't win a fight against a black guy, you know that.
Wow, way to bring the race factor into it again.
Hip hop. Wait, what? Yeah. Poochie shorts?
Do it.
Okay, and then. Oh, dude, I look like a faggot.
No, dude, that's what Robin wears. Trust me. You just gotta be green, dude. Trust me.
Alright, I got the cape.
Yeah. Oh, what is this, Robin? Dude, where the hell did you get that cape? Oh my God!
Oh god, I just got hit by. That's okay, I shook it off. Oh god.
Oh my God!
You got contact.
No!
Robin out. You're on your own, Batman.
It must be a minion of Bane.
Was that Bane?
Ah, Batman's pulling out a batarang.
Siege? Oh, you broke the rules. Get him. Oh god, you got it, don't worry.
Ah, get him, Robin.
Oh god.
You are literally getting nothing.
Oh god.
Okay, don't worry.
It's okay, I'm sticking a non-explosive in his mouth. It's just...
I shot him in the head with batarangs, but that's okay. I didn't kill him. I only incapacitated him.
So be honest, does my cape look good?
Dude, I honestly want that cape. Where the hell did you find that?
I don't know, it was under fun time.
Oh!
Oh my bad, I hit that man. Oh no, I'm sorry.
Don't mess with us. Why are we fighting them in the first place?
Who?
Why are we fighting them like these syndicate people? Do we have to?
You said this. I don't know, I'm Robin, so I feel okay to fight.
Oh, you're Pierce. I don't need to fight you.
Oh, we gotta return to the safe house. Let's go. Get out of here. Here, what are you doing? Batman. Okay, Batman. Okay, I see that.
Oh. Okay. Way to leave Batman behind. Oh! What the hell?
What?
Okay, we're just getting out of here. I
Did
think
you hit the button on the Batmobile?
I hit the turbo boost. It is in fact. See, I don't even have.
Oh, it seems to me that your tire is out, Batman.
Well, know what?
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Awkward.
Wrong car, Batman.
Don't worry, buddy.
Batman, did you drink last night?
No. Let's do this. Let's just go. go.
Oh God.
I got them off our trail. Let's go.
You drive like a real saint.
What the hell?
Stay in our building. Let's go. What?
Just move.
Get in. Oh. Oh, back is.
We've done good. Catch you in the next video, everybody. Robin, say goodbye.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.